Today I'll be installing this Apiseason round side table, and this round side table comes with its parts and very easy to install. All you have to do is just screw in all the legs into this block. This block allows it to be secure when you install so that you don't have any bulging whatsoever during installation. The legs of the table creates a triangular shape so that it allows it to be very stable. One thing I love about this table, as you can see, it is so elegant, it is so fashionable, it's sturdy, it can be used pretty much anywhere at all. I love that you can use it at the table area near your couch, and I love that the height is perfect, 16.5 inches by 20.5 inches. And one thing is that it comes in different color. I chose the brown, but it comes in white, it comes in black, and it comes in brown. As you see, this is absolutely perfect for my living space and I love it.